Okay.
Go in.
Okay.
I'll edit.
Get off your phones. I don't want this anymore. Get off.
Stop it, Joshua, stop it.
Josh is filming your film and I'm filming his
No.
film, filming your film.
in the film.
Yeah.
Okay, ready? 3.
Into a film.
Be quiet.
Ratpack.
Stop it. I'm going to confiscate those phones.
3, 2, 1. Right. Hi, I'm Chissola, one of the youth leaders at the Ratpack Youth Steering Committee.
Hi, I'm Isabella and I am a youth worker at the Ratpack Steering Committee.
So basically what a Ratpack gets up to is just all sorts of engaging activities that the youth come up with. We basically just brainstorm what we want to do and then just make it happen. So we've been involved in getting grants to help make art packs for basically kids in the community that don't really have access to art supplies outside of school. This was done just after the lockdown, which was very, very important since a lot of kids weren't in school anyways. So it was just making sure that we targeted those people. And then we also get up to just improving our space. So we're working on the garden out back and all the plants out in front so that it just looks pretty and invites more people.
We were working a lot on our garden, especially after lockdown, since everyone was cooped up inside all the time. So trying to make our garden look nice was kind of the focal point of what Ratpack was trying to do. And then also trying to improve the way that the studio looked from the outside as well. So we added planter boxes outside where the cafe is, planted more flowers for the bees to make the local flowers look nicer. And we also decided to add a pond for local wildlife and in our garden as well. So it's really just been about trying to improve environment, and in doing that would help kids as well.